Well guys, Doogee just presented its first 5G Raja smartphone in the market. The Raja smartphone maker has done an excellent job and includes some cool features on this device. Just like the other Doogee smartphones, the Doogee V10 is also a Raja smartphone with interesting design and great specifications. As we can see from the side, there is a smart responsible fingerprint sensor, a relatively compact 6.39-inch dot display with a powerful Gorilla protection. The phone is powered by the MediaTek 700 octa-core processor made in 7nm technology, 4G, 5G global band support with 10 times faster download rate, 8 antennas and sensors spread out on the back of the phone with a dedicated gaming antenna. On the back we find great design triple camera module with a 48 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel portrait camera, which will take care of top quality photos. On the front we have a 60 megapixel selfie camera with a Face ID screen unlock. In addition feature, it is useful inbuilt infrared thermometer. It takes care of everything, a fast power support of as much as 33 watts, fast charging and a massive battery of 8500 mAh battery, that battery that will last for days. Of course, it's a phone with IP68, IP69K, mil STD, 810G and water resistant drops from 1.5 meter. The phone comes with the new fast and fluid Android 11 OS. You can get the Doogee V10 for a good price on a sale on the official Doogee website on AliExpress. There is also a giveaway prepared by Doogee. Complete the below arrangement, then there is a chance to win 50 prizes such as smartphones and smartwatches. So let's join right now. The official links are below this video. That will be all for today. See you soon in the new video. Bye.